Hello friends, welcome to Continental Desi Kitchen. In today's video, we are going to see how to make two very healthy, yummy and easy smoothies with just 3 ingredients. Packed with vitamin C, minerals, potassium, fiber and antioxidants, these smoothies are an ideal way to kickstart your day. So friends, let's get started with the recipe. The first one is a pomegranate and banana smoothie. For that you will need 1 cup of pomegranate and half of a banana. And since I am making a vegan smoothie, I am using almond milk which has a vanilla flavor in it. Now transfer the pomegranate and the banana slices into a juicer jar. You can also use normal cow milk or even yogurt for this smoothie. I'll be adding now just a splash of almond milk and blend this to a thick puree first. Let's check this once. So a thick puree of banana and pomegranate is done, and now I will add the remaining almond milk and blend this again to our desired smoothie. So our smoothie is ready, and now I'm going to strain this through a strainer so that we don't get crushed pomegranate seeds in the smoothie, and thereafter we can keep it in the refrigerator for 1 hour and enjoy it chill. And here goes our pomegranate and banana smoothie. You can also add a teaspoon of honey for extra sweetness if you want. Enjoy this healthy and yummy smoothie. The second one is kiwi and banana smoothie. For that you will need 1/2 portion of kiwi and half portion of banana. Transfer them to a juicer jar. Add a splash of almond milk and blend this to a thick puree. Let's check this once. Now I will add the remaining almond milk. Along with that goes a tablespoon of honey to balance the taste. And now blend this to get our desired smoothie. Let's check. So our kiwi and banana smoothie is also ready. You can keep this in the refrigerator for 1 hour and then enjoy it chill. And here goes our kiwi and banana smoothie. Enjoy this yummy and refreshing smoothie and kickstart your day in a healthy way. So friends, I hope you will try these two smoothies, which are quick and easy to make and healthy too. Also share your feedbacks in the comment section below, and if you have not subscribed my channel yet, please do so for more interesting and healthy recipes. See you soon in my next video. Until then, bye bye, take care and stay safe.